Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So friends, on this video we will see how we can save forms responses to a list. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's start our today's video demonstration. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our N365 admin center and to save responses of form in list, first of all we'll open list. You can open a SharePoint list as well. So I will open this list application. So basically what we will do, we have I will not be going to do the exercise of creating a list from the scratch, but I will show you like how we can, first of all create a list, then we can add multiple, sections of, the column. We can add the columns which are required, and then based on, those columns, we can create a form and we can share that form with our users, and users will fill up that, will be filled on that list. So if we'll click on new list, here you can see these are the few templates which are provided from Microsoft. You can use this, the what we call it, the templates like the employee onboarding tracker, travel request. These are the some of the the templates, and like you can create a blank list as well. You can create a list from the existing list, and similarly from Excel and from CSV as well, you can create a list. However, I have already created a list. Let me open that list. So I have created the list with the name of new employee onboarding. Basically, what I will do based on this, the list, I have few columns like name, gender, department, date of joining, manager, and whether that employee is Indian or not. So basically, these are the few columns which are created. These columns are the like the text column, choice column, date column, yes and no column. And now let's see how we save the responses of the form on this list. So Microsoft has, recently integrated or maybe seamlessly, linked two applications. One is the, the SharePoint list, or we can have Microsoft list with the forms. So like this is our, the list. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this forms. So once you will click on it, you will get two options like the new form, or if you want to, open any existing form which you have created using this list. So we'll click on new form, and you could see the total number of, the columns which this list has. You can see it over here, like the title, name, gender, department, date of joining, and the manager name. You can select it from there, and this is the whether the employee is Indian or not. There is one good thing, like you can customize like the fields as well. Like if I don't want this title column, I can uncheck it, and you can similarly organize it in the way you want. So I will enter the name of this form again here, onboarding form. Right, you can add the logo if you want here, and you can describe about this form, and these are the few columns which are there on the list, and you can see these columns here in the form as well. So now this is about the showing and hiding the fields of the form. If I will expand the themes, you can select the theme which you want of this form, like you can select it from here, or maybe you can create your own style. Then we'll expand the setting option. Like in the setting, if you want any users to, fill this form, so you have, if you want a notification, so you can just toggle it on. So basically what will happen, like you will receive an email notification once any user will, fill up this form. So yes, I want it, so I will toggle it on. So here is the option like accept responses of the user. You can toggle it on, and maybe you can select the start and end date of this, the form, and this will be the message when the user will receive when they will submit the form. So that's it about the settings of this form. Then we have the option of send form. So you can copy the link of the form by clicking on it, and the link will be copied, and now you can, share it across whom you want this form to be get filled from the users. One more important thing, you can also enter this link of this form on SharePoint site as well. Like you can use the quick link web part, and then you can enter this link, and so what will happen, the users, those who have access to that SharePoint site, likewise they can also fill up the form. Now let me show you how it will work. Like we have copied this form link. Okay, now in the in private window, I will, try to access the link of this form. So let me open the incognito window. I will paste the link. So let me access this form using my user credentials. Okay, let me sign in. So user can enter the details now. Can select the gender, department, date of joining, and so this is a checkbox option like the user is Indian or not. So now we'll click on submit. Okay, so we have successfully submitted the form. Now we'll go back. We'll close this, and this is my list using which I have created a forms. If I will refresh it, you will see the responses are now saved on the list. So friends, that's how we can save the forms responses in the Microsoft list. So friends, let's conclude our video demonstration.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.